Look at your chair. You want to sit in your new chair? Yeah. Yay! Here, Mom, I'll help you through it. Yeah. Luke's chair! Can you rock? Can you rock? Can you rock? Ready? Rocky, rocky, rock. Yay! Say, this is from Grandma and Papa for Christmas. Do you like it? Rock. You do it by yourself. Ready? Now go back. Back. Go back. Is that fun? Yeah. Do you like it? That's your new chair. That's Luke's chair. Do you like it? Hey, you want to see how it lays back? Yeah. You get in it. See if you can do it. Ah! Here, I'll hold it. You see if you can do it. Yeah. All right. That was a good boy. Just your size. Okay. Oh. Okay, rock. Rocky, rocky, rocky. Here, want to push it back? Here, push this. Lean back. Ready? Just push, right?
Pull out from the bottom.
Pull out this way?
Yeah.
Oh. Here, let's see. Oh, you want to get back in it? Your mom to help? Turn around. Oh. No, that's not going to happen. Whoa! You have to sit like this, honey. You have to sit like this. Can you sit? I rock. Rocky, rocky, rocky. Is this so fun? Oh! What do you think we are, buddy? Oh, look, Luke. Look. Watch. Here, watch. Look, you put your feet up. Look. Look. Is it like a slide? You want to put that? Oh. I think we have a winner except for that. Luke, you're going to fall back. No. Alright. Can you say thanks, Grandma and Papa? Say bye-bye, Lukey. Hey, Luke. Can you say bye-bye? I think we have a climbing thing and not a chair. No, you can't stand in a chair. You have to sit. Look, big boy sits in a chair. Yay, big boy. Yay. You want to sit in the chair? Sit in the chair. There you go, all by yourself. Alright, you want to say bye? Luke, let's wave. Say bye. Say bye, Grandma and Papa. Say bye. Hey, say bye. Say thanks for my Christmas present. Yeah.